The 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 is notable for its many unique and interesting features, beyond its renowned performance and handling capabilities. One of the standout aspects is its Z28 auction code, derived from Chevrolet's internal engine code for the 302 cubic inch V8, ZH8. This engine required a unique wiring harness to accommodate its special high RPM design. Additionally, the Z28 came standard with a Muncie M20 wide ratio 4-speed transmission featuring a unique aluminum case and the first wide low-profile tires used on a Camaro, the F70 by 15-inch Firestone wide oval tires. Functionality was a key focus in the design of the Z28. The front and rear spoilers were not just for aesthetics but served to reduce lift at high speeds, enhancing stability. The optional cowl induction hood, with a vacuum-operated flap, drew cooler air at wide-open throttle, improving engine performance. The Z28 also boasted a unique front subframe assembly and reinforced frame, coupled with special front and rear stabilizer bars and spring rates, all contributing to superior handling and reduced body lean in corners. Braking and exhaust systems were also tailored for performance. The Z28 featured a 4-wheel disc brake option developed using data from Penske's Trans Am race cars, and a dual exhaust system with low restriction chambered mufflers for improved flow. The standard 15 by 7-inch stamped steel wheels were the widest factory wheels offered on a 1969 Camaro, further enhancing its grip and stability. Inside, the Z28 was equipped with an instrument cluster featuring an 8,000 RPM tachometer and a 160 miles per hour speedometer, emphasizing its high-performance nature. If you're as passionate about cars as I am, don't forget to smash that like button, click subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you never miss out on our latest videos. The Z28's 302 V8 engine included several special components such as a high-lift solid lifter camshaft, a dual-plane aluminum intake manifold, and an optional cross-ram dual-quad intake that could be dealer-installed. Additionally, the Z28 could be ordered with a Positraction limited slip differential for better traction. The 1969 Z28 was only available as a coupe body style, with no convertibles produced. Its distinctive styling, with dual stripes, spoilers, and fender flares, influenced the design of later high-performance Camaro models.